Holy moly, look at all the red lights.
They're going left, we're going right.
Okay.
Because they're gonna follow more asphalt. I know why I did this, because there's a gravel road up here.
Yeah, right in front of you.
Well, no, not this one. Look at that on the left. Taj Mahal.
Wow. That's something else, man.
That's some redneck ingenuity right there.
Which way are we going? I'm stopping.
We gotta go straight.
Okay. Oh, look at the black flies or whatever. Deer flies?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting bit by one.
They're ravenous back here.
I'm right there.
Oh, what's this quaint little place? Never heard of it before.
Shall we check it out?
Check it out.
You guys want to park here and I'll park over here?
Motorcycle parking only.
You got it.
Wash it on the left.
Okay.
Wash it on the right. Wash it on the left.
Stay to the middle.
Yeah, I went left.
Puddle on the right.
I get the target fixated on that washout on the left. It's about 8.
Ooh. Ooh, this is loose. Whoa. Oh, it feels good getting air on my...
It got hot all the time.
Who did ever? There is one more small loop we can do. It's up to you guys. It's that one, we have to go west a few kilometers, and then it's like a triangle.
Little green road?
Yeah, it has that scenic view we did a couple times.
All right, let's do it. It's coming up like real quick.
No, it's after the camp, after the ski hill. You got to go past the ski hill.
All right.
Now let's do it.
Hey?
Let's do it.
I hear a lot of enthusiasm coming from Ernie right now. Yay, let's do it.
That's about the best you're going to get out of him.
Yeah, it is.
Enthusiastic.
It's only 2:15.
Yeah, I was looking at the time. I was thinking we could probably fit another little loop in.
Yeah.
You know which one I mean. Yeah, when we do
Exactly.
it, you're like, oh yeah. Yeah, exactly, yeah. You know exactly what I mean.
How be Duncan and I pretend we don't, but we just follow you.
You guys make me feel good, you know. Whoa. Cut my corners. So that's where we're going to come out.
Okay. Oh, yes. I think we did that on a fall ride last year.
Yeah, quite possibly.
Although I do recall part of it being gravel, so I had to avoid it. I just don't remember what part.
Yeah, it's this first part here.
Okay.
I'm just going to pull over and check my map here.
Okay.
I feel like we might have missed it. Kennelly Mountain Road. Oh no, we gotta go up here and then we get on Kennelly Mountain Road.
All righty.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah.
turn.
Gravel.
Whoa. Yeah, she's warm now, eh?
Yeah. You can feel her.
Hard right. I turn right here. Now look to your right.
Ah.
And a right. Looks clear. Okay. You still with us, Duncan?
I think he's listening to music.
Oh, okay.
Cut us out. Either that or he just got tired of listening to us.
Yeah. Well, we weren't really talking. I think we all kind of faded out.
Yeah. That's okay. We've got all night to annoy him.
Yes. Ooh. Ooh.
It's almost starting to feel like beer o'clock, Jeff.
Yeah, it sure is, isn't it? I think we're coming up to our turn, aren't we?
Yep. Yeah, that roof ahead is the little building in the corner of our parking lot.
Okay.
Had my
Good ride,
moment.
buddy. Good ride. All right, who wants to start? I don't even know if yours is on.
Fine.
No, yours is on, still going.